The bird took the seed.
What is this box? I cannot believe this!
They look so beautiful! Our garden feels magical.
Where is my seed? I cannot find it! Something is wrong here!
I lost it here. This is very strange. I must search again.
Grandma, I lost seed. Please help me now. I am very worried.
Don't you worry, dear. We'll find it together. Seeds never disappear. They hide somewhere here. Let us find together.
I hope it appears. I am so scared. Please come back, seed.
What are you doing? Can I help you? This looks interesting.
I lost my seed. It was very special. We need to find it.
Okay, Tom, we'll find it together.
Maybe it is here. This hole looks strange. Let's check quickly.
I am so nervous. I find something in soil. What will we find?
Please be my seed.
What is this box? Did seed go inside? I cannot believe this! Please be my seed. I am so scared. Open it now! I am so scared. Please be my seed. Look! The seed is moving! It is flying away!
The bird took the seed.
Come back here! We must catch it!
Wait for us!
Come back here! We must catch it! It dropped something like pouch!
Go get it fast!
This is exciting! I got it! I found it! It is my seed! I am so happy! Thank you, little bird. This was amazing! We solved mystery!
Plant it here. Be very gentle. Nature needs care.
Now we will wait. It will grow soon. Be patient now. Look at this! It is growing! This is magic!
We did it!
Now it should get the extra care. We take care of our plant.
That's right, my dears.
I feel very tired now. I will rest here a little while. My eyes are closing slowly.
Grandma, look near the garden. Those lights are moving slowly. I feel really scared now.
Did you see those lights? They are hiding near flowers. This feels very strange tonight.
Stay close beside me. The lights, they're gone. Do not feel afraid now. We will solve this mystery.
Look at these tiny marks. Something walked through here. Should we follow them? Let's go.
I heard something moving.
Please stay near me. This place feels spooky.
Stay close, children.
Oh, wow! It's a rabbit!
I thought it was monster.
That scared me badly.
The rabbit knows something. Let's follow him carefully.
He is showing us way.
The lights are fireflies. They look so beautiful. Our garden feels magical.
I think they love plants.
The garden feels alive now. This is very special.
I will never forget tonight.
Our garden is full of magic. Nature is truly amazing.
Oh, wow. It was only dream. I thought everything was real. Thank goodness nothing went wrong.
Wait, let me check my plant. I hope it is growing bigger.
What happened with plant? Why is it dying? We did everything right. I am very scared.
It looks very weak.
Something is missing here.
What should we do?
The soil is dry. Plants need more care. Water is missing.
I will bring water! Quick, let's save it! We must help fast! Yes, hurry!
Please be okay. Grow strong again. We believe in you. It is getting better. We saved it. This is amazing.
Wow, it's look beautiful! It is alive again! Nature is strong! We did it together!
I was so worried. But now I'm happy. Plants are like friends.
Plants need love every single day. They feel weak without good care. If we help them, they grow strong.
I will care for plants daily. I understand your lesson now. We must protect every little plant.
Wow, look at that butterfly! It came near our beautiful plant! I think it likes our garden! The butterfly looks very peaceful.
It trusts our little garden now.
This moment feels really magical.
We work together every single day. And now the garden looks amazing. I feel so proud and happy.
This day was special.
We learned so much.
Nature is our friend.
Look at our garden! We made it alive! This is teamwork!
You learned well. Nature is precious.
I will, Grandma.
Take care always.
It is beautiful!
We did it together!
This is amazing garden. We will care our plants daily. We will always protect nature. This is our promise. See you next time. Bye-bye, friends.
Happy gardening forever!